7 foods to cleanse your body. Feeling sluggish? Want to give your body a fresh start? You might have heard about the concept of detoxification. Now, while the body has natural ways to eliminate waste products, the idea of needing a complete cleanse isn't entirely supported by science. But that doesn't mean we can't support these natural processes. Your body has amazing organs like the liver, kidneys, and skin that work tirelessly to filter out toxins. And guess what? By incorporating certain foods into your diet, you can potentially give them a helping hand. Today, we'll explore some powerful food choices that might contribute to overall health and potentially support your body's natural detoxification processes. So, are you ready to discover some delicious ways to empower your body's natural systems? Let's dive in. Number 1. Understanding detoxification. Now that we've set the stage for our detox extravaganza, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of how our bodies work their detoxifying magic. Picture this. Inside your body, there's a bustling metropolis of organs, the liver, kidneys, and skin, working tirelessly to keep things squeaky clean. Think of your liver as the CEO of detoxification, calling the shots and breaking down toxins like a boss. Meanwhile, your kidneys are the janitors, filtering out waste and ensuring everything flows smoothly. And let's not forget about your skin, the unsung hero that sweats out toxins like a champ during your next hot aerobic session. But wait, there's more. While these organs are the stars of the show, they don't work alone. They rely on a trusty sidekick, your diet, to keep them fueled and functioning at their best. That's where our 7 detox superfoods come into play, but we'll save that tasty tidbit for later. So, buckle up, folks. We're about to take a wild ride through the inner workings of detoxification. Get ready to be amazed, entertained, and maybe even inspired to show your liver some love with a round of applause or a plate of broccoli. Whatever floats your boat. Let's dive into the science behind detoxification and uncover the secrets to a cleaner, healthier you. 2. Lemon water. The humble lemon. Not just a citrusy delight for your taste buds, but also a superhero in the world of detoxification. Picture yourself waking up to the refreshing zing of lemon water, like a burst of sunshine for your insides. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal about lemon water? Well, let me tell you, it's like pressing the reset button for your digestive system. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that gives your liver a high five and says, "Let's get this detox party started." But that's not all. Lemon water also helps kickstart your metabolism, getting your engine revved up for the day ahead. It's like giving your body a gentle nudge in the right direction, encouraging it to flush out toxins and keep things running smoothly. So, the next time you're feeling a little sluggish or in need of a pick-me-up, reach for a glass of lemon water and let nature work its magic. Your body will thank you, and you'll be one step closer to that glowing, radiant you. 3. Leafy greens. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite superheroes of the salad bowl, leafy greens. We're talking about kale, spinach, Swiss chard. The gang's all here, and they're ready to save the day and your detoxification journey. These vibrant veggies aren't just pretty faces. They're packed with nutrients that make your body do a happy dance. We're talking about fiber, folks, the unsung hero of the digestive system. Fiber sweeps through your intestines like a broom, picking up toxins along the way and bidding them farewell as they exit stage left. But wait, there's more. Leafy greens are also bursting with antioxidants, those mighty warriors that fend off free radicals and keep your cells happy and healthy. It's like having a little army of defenders inside your body, ready to take on anything that comes their way. So, the next time you're whipping up a salad or blending up a green smoothie, toss in a handful of leafy greens and let them work their detoxifying magic. Your taste buds will thank you, and your body will be singing praises to these nutrient-packed powerhouses. And there you have it, folks. We've traipsed through the mystical land of detoxification like fearless warriors armed with lemon water and kale swords. From garlic cloves to green tea, we've uncovered the ultimate detox avengers. Fear not, my friend. Whether you're tossing them in a salad or sneaking them into your morning smoothie, there are plenty of ways to recruit these detox heroes into your daily meals. Remember, detoxification isn't just about cleaning house. It's about strutting through life with the vigor of a freshly detoxed superhero. Number 4. Cruciferous vegetables. Now, let's give a round of applause for the unsung heroes of the produce aisle, cruciferous vegetables. We're talking about broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, the veggie squad that's here to save the day and detoxify your body like nobody's business. These crunchy delights aren't just a tasty addition to your plate. They're packed with powerful compounds that make them the MVPs of detoxification. You see, cruciferous vegetables contain a unique group of phytochemicals called glucosinolates. Try saying that 5 times fast. These compounds are like little detox ninjas, sneaking into your liver and kicking toxins to the curb. But wait, there's more. When your liver breaks down these glucosinolates, they transform into compounds called isothiocyanates. Fancy science speak for detox superheroes. These isothiocyanates activate detoxification enzymes in your liver, helping it break down toxins more efficiently and send them packing. So the next time you're whipping up a stir-fry or roasting veggies for dinner, don't forget to load up on those cruciferous goodies. Your taste buds will thank you, and your liver will be doing a happy dance as it rides your booty of toxins like a boss. Number 5. Berries. Let's take a sweet detour from the veggie patch and venture into the colorful world of berries, nature's little gems that pack a punch when it comes to detoxification. Berries aren't just tiny bursts of flavor, they're like little antioxidant powerhouses, ready to defend your body against free radicals and oxidative stress. We're talking about blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, each one a vibrant pop of color and a treasure trove of health benefits. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal about antioxidants? Well, my friend, let me tell you. Antioxidants are like the bodyguards of your cells, standing guard and protecting them from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. And guess what? Berries are loaded with these mighty antioxidants, like vitamin C, flavonoids, and anthocyanins. These compounds not only give berries their rich color and delicious flavor, but also help combat inflammation, boost your immune system, and support detoxification processes. So the next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a handful of berries and let their antioxidant magic do its thing. Whether you're snacking on them straight out of the punnet or tossing them into a smoothie or salad, you can rest assured that you're giving your body a delicious dose of detoxification. Goodness! Number 6. Garlic. Let's give a round of applause to garlic, the unsung hero of the kitchen. Sure, it might leave your breath smelling like a walking garlic clove, but hey, at least it's doing wonders for your detox game. Garlic isn't just a flavor enhancer. It's like the MVP of natural cleansing, with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory powers that even superheroes would envy. It's the Tony Stark of the spice rack, small but mighty, fighting off toxins and keeping your body in tip-top shape. And those sulfur compounds in garlic? They're the secret sauce to detox success. They swoop in like tiny culinary ninjas, helping your liver break down toxins faster than you can say, "Pass the garlic bread." So, how do you incorporate more garlic into your diet without scaring away your friends and loved ones? Get creative. Mince it up and throw it into pasta sauce, stir fries, or even salad dressings. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, roast a whole bulb and spread it on toast for a flavor explosion that will leave you wanting more. Just remember, a little garlic goes a long way, both in flavor and in detoxification power. So, embrace the stink and let garlic work its magic as nature's ultimate cleansing agent. Your body will thank you, even if your breath won't. 7. Turmeric. Now, let's give a standing ovation to turmeric, the golden child of the spice world. Not only does it add a vibrant hue to your dishes, but it also brings a whole lot of detoxifying goodness to the table. Turmeric isn't just your average spice rack staple. It's like the rock star of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's the Beyoncé of the herb garden, fierce, fabulous, and fighting off toxins like a boss. And let's talk about its role in liver health. Turmeric is like the guardian angel of your liver, swooping in to support its detoxifying efforts and keep it functioning at its best. It's like giving your liver a spa day, complete with a golden turmeric face mask and cucumber slices for its eyes. So, how do you incorporate more turmeric into your diet for maximum detoxification benefits? Get creative in the kitchen. Sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, stir it into soups and stews, or blend it into smoothies for a golden glow that even Cleopatra would envy. And here's a little spice humor for you. Turmeric is like the superhero cape your dishes never knew they needed. So, don't be afraid to spice things up and let turmeric work its magic as nature's golden detox spice. Your body will thank you, and your taste buds will be dancing the tango of flavor.